So in this video, I want to show you guys real quickly and easily how you can fix a loose outlet such as this one up next. Hey guys, my name is Jeff, and if you're new to this channel, I do all sorts of do-it-yourself projects, tech reviews, tutorials, and more, so please consider subscribing. But today, we are focusing on this electrical outlet, and I just want to show you guys. So you might be having the same problem. You go to plug something in and you'll notice that it does, your whole electrical outlet moves. And I'm actually in the process of replacing all these outlets because we have the ivory color in this kitchen and we are moving everything to white. So since I'm doing this anyway, I was going to show you guys what you can do so that you can tighten up this outlet. It's a very simple fix, but first what we're going to need to do is check our electrical box, figure out what circuit this guy is on, go ahead and turn that off before we do any work on this electrical outlet. Stick around till the end of the video, as I've got a quick tip for you on how to easily label your outlet so that you know what circuit it's going to be on. Okay, so I figured out which circuit it is, but I'm still going to check this outlet. So I've got one of these voltage detector pens, and these are very useful. If you don't have one of these, I'll put a link down in the description of the video below. You turn this guy on and it's green. If there's power still to this outlet, this is going to turn red and beep at me, but it is not doing that. So we do indeed know that this circuit is off, and from this point we're going to unscrew this wall plate. So you can definitely see that when I'm plugging stuff in, this whole thing is moving around, and if we get close up, you'll notice it's moving around because this part up here that holds the outlet to the wall isn't even screwed in all the way, it's loose. And you can see when I'm pushing on it here, there's all this space behind this outlet, and this screw is loose, and I'm sure it was left loose because if they would have tightened this screw even more, if I put this plate back on, then these outlets would have been pushed in. They would not have been flush with this particular plate. You can see how nice and dirty this plate is here. Whew. Definitely needs to be replaced. But as we are taking this out, what's missing is you need something behind this to give this outlet some support. What you can do is go to your hardware store and pick this guy up. So I'm going to leave links down in the description below, but these guys are going to get it done for you. These are outlet spacers. And essentially, just like you see in the picture, these little plastic guys come out and you can put them right behind the outlet, and I will show you guys how I'm going to do that. So let's take a look at this particular strip. So this strip's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different spacers, and they're all connected. And you'll notice that every other one has these little nubs on them, and they're actually on the other side. But they're made so that you can put them together. So that one seeds into that one, and that one seeds into that one. And we can make these whatever thickness we want. And then let's just take our outlet. So this is the outlet I'm going to be replacing. But just to show you guys an example, a little bit easier camera angle than with it being in the wall, I'm going to take these spacers and just put them right over that screw in the wall. And that's going to provide the appropriate spacing I need so that when I push on this outlet when it's installed in the wall, that it's not going to have that play like it currently does right now. So there's this top and bottom screw holding this outlet to the wall, and I'm just going to loosen those to be able to pull this out. So with these two screws pulled out, we're going to see if we can pull this outlet out a little bit. And I'll be sticking these spacers in there shortly, but in the meantime, I'm going to switch this outlet out with this new white one that I got, and I'm just going to take off each wire, and as I take each one off of this outlet, I'm going to attach it to this outlet. When I get back to screwing this into the wall, that's when I'm going to add these spacers in. So up close at the outlet, I want to show you how I'm inserting these outlet spacers. So I have measured, and what I did is I started butting up some of these outlet spacers, putting them together. So I've got 2 of them pressed together, and then I just put these against the wall, and I can see that that is enough to adequately space out these outlets so that they're going to be flush with our wall. And then what I did is, if you see the outlet spacers, I just took my scissors, and right in between them there, you can snip them apart. And then I just folded them together. Now from this point, these outlet spacers have this hole. So I'm going to insert this around the screw. So on both the top screw and the bottom screw of this outlet, I now have these outlet spacers, and they are sitting around the screw. I'm now going to screw these back into the box. So I'm able to put some pressure on this outlet and it is not going anywhere. So I'm now going to put my outlet cover and we'll screw that back on. So let's go ahead and test our outlet. I got my plug in there and I'm moving it around and this is not shaking like it was before. So we have fixed the loose outlet problem. So if this video has helped you out or if you've learned something, take a second, smash that like button. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below to these outlet spacers. Hey, and did you happen to spot Tinker? He's our little hidden robot that briefly pops up in all the videos on this channel. He actually popped up during this video. So if you happen to spot him, take note of the timestamp or the amount of time into this video that he popped up. Be the first person on this video to let me know that timestamp down in the comments section below, along with your best comment, and we'll put your name on our Tinker Forward Hall of Fame page, as well as give you a shout out in a future video. And speaking of shout outs, a big congrats to John Champion, who is our latest viewer who spotted Tinker in one of our recent videos. Just a quick tip for you guys. What I like to do is write the circuit number that the outlet is on right on the plate cover before I put it back on, and then even if it's labeled at the circuit box, this saves me even more time real quick by just letting me know what circuit this particular outlet's on. This is particularly helpful if you've got kind of weird wiring in your house where some circuits are connected to some outlets and other outlets are on other circuits. This is a quick and easy way to remember. So I'm interested to know, did the tips in this video help you out, or are you currently working on some sort of a household or renovation project? Let me know that down in the comments section below. And if you are new to Tinker Forward and you haven't yet subscribed, take a second right now, hit that subscribe button, that little notification bell, and you'll get notified every time I release new weekly videos, such as some of these other do-it-yourself videos I've done on how to replace a pull string fixture and even how to install a ceiling fan. And those videos will be linked down in the description below if you want to check those out as well. My name is Jeff, and as always, I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to make every day awesome, and I will see you guys in the next video. Did this fix your problem with your fixture? I hope this helps you guys out. If this does, if you've learned something, I want to let you guys know I've done other videos involving electrical, such as how to replace a pull string, what is it, light bulb? Pull string light bulb? Any of my future videos. My name is Jeff. I keep saying that over and over and over. You'll want to check those videos out and they will be linked down in the description